Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss most important questions in JEE entrance. Okay, get ready. चलो शुरू करेंगे क्या? Okay. Here observe. Orthocenter of triangle ABC, where capital A point is given as A cos theta 1, comma A sin theta 1, and B point is given as A cos theta 2, A sin theta 2, and C given as A cos theta 3, A sin theta 3. Okay, triangle. This is the triangle, right? A, B, C. A is given, B is given, and C is given, right? Vertices of triangle provided. Now, if you observed carefully, this is A cos theta 1, A sin theta 1, and this is A cos theta 2, A sin theta 2, and C point is A cos theta 3, A sin theta 3. All these 3 points lies on a circle. Is it true or not? Let me check. See, A point. Imagine this is x coordinate and y coordinate. This is x coordinate and y coordinate. X equals to A cos theta 1, y equals to A sin theta 1. Locus of x comma y I am asking. X square plus y square how much? Suppose x equals to A cos theta 1 and y equals to A sin theta 1. Then locus of x comma y what? X square plus y square equals to A square cos square theta 1, A square sin square theta 1. Cos square theta 1 and sin square theta 1 is 1. So, x square plus y square equals to A square. So, this point, A point is lies on the circle x square plus y square equals to A square. Are you clear, all of you? Now observe, come to point B. This is also satisfied. This is also satisfied the circle. See, A cos theta square plus A sin theta square equals to A square. It is also lies on the circle. If you go for C point also, it also satisfies this circle equation. Right? So, all these 3 points lies on a circle. Lies on a circle. Can I draw that circle like this? Can I draw that circle like this? Right? Got it? Got it? Okay, nice. Then A, B, C lies on a circle. X square plus y square equals to A square. It is very clear. Then this circle is called what? This circle is called circumcircle. Circumcircle. How do you say circumcircle? If a circle passes through all 3 vertices of a triangle, if a circle passes through all 3 vertices of a triangle, then that circle is called circumcircle. What is the center of this circumcircle? What is the center of this circumcircle? X square plus y square equals to A square. This is standard equation of a circle whose center is 0, 0. Generally, circumcenter is denoted by S. That S is here 0, 0. Center of circumcircle is 0, 0, and radius how much? A. And radius is A. Right? You got circumcenter. You got circumcenter. And you can able to find out centroid. You can able to find out centroid of triangle ABC. A vertices, A, vertex A, vertex B, vertex C known na? Then what about centroid of triangle ABC? Circumcenter known, centroid I am going to find out. After that you can capture the orthocenter coordinates. Observe. Chalo, centroid x coordinate, x coordinate, x coordinate. X coordinate of A vertex, x coordinate of B vertex, x coordinate of C vertex by 3. Here A cos theta 1 plus A cos theta 2 plus A cos theta by 3. A common, cos theta 1 plus cos theta 2 plus cos theta 3 by 3. This is x coordinate of centroid, and next y coordinate of centroid a sin theta 1 plus a sin theta 2 plus a sin theta by 3. A taken common, sin theta 1 sin theta 2 sin theta 3 by 3. Is it clear? Even you can write this as g equals to, how do you write this? A by 3 summation of cos theta 1 you can write. Sum of all three angles. Okay. A by 3 summation of sin theta 1. Even you can express like this. Sum of cos theta 1, cos theta 2, cos theta 3 can be expressed as summation of cos theta 1 and summation of sin theta 1. Okay. Is it clear? Superb question it is. You may enjoy it. Okay. Now observe. Here you are going to find out orthocenter of the circle. No? Already we know that this circumcenter and centroid and orthocenter. O is not origin, it is orthocenter, right? This G divides S and O line segment in the ratio 1:2. Okay. Here we have a shortcut expression 1 into O plus 2 into S, 2S equals to 3G. In your 11th standard you may have this synopsis O plus 2S equals to 3G, right? Simply what you are going to find out, centroid known, already circumcenter known, you are going to find out orthocenter. Chalo, substitute the values. O is orthocenter, we don't know, and 2 into S coordinates are 0, 0 equals to 3 times of G. Now observe carefully. O is orthocenter, it is. O is orthocenter. This is 0, 0 equals to 3 times of G. G what? A by 3 of summation of cos theta 1 and A by 3 of summation of sin theta 1. That's it. 3 cancelled. What else here? A summation cos theta 1 and A summation sin theta 1. This is equals to what? Even if you send this if you send this 0, 0 that side, this point subtracts this coordinates of the point, which cannot be affected. So what? Orthocenter is what? A summation of cos theta 1, A summation of sin theta 1. What is your right choice? Option C is the right choice. Extremely good. Right? Okay na? Got it all of you? Chalo. Let's move on to our next question. Okay, observe. Our second question is the parametric equations x is 2a into 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square and y equals to 4at by 1 plus t square represents a circle whose radius is. Okay. Before this, I wanted to tell one more important formula. Sin 2 theta what? In terms of tan, 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Are you remembered? In your 11th standard trigonometric ratios, multiple and submultiple angles. Okay. Cos 2 theta in terms of tan 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Right? Here what is given? X equals to 2a into 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square and y equals to 4at by 1 plus t square. Very simple. Observe carefully. Okay. Here what I am writing, here 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square is there. Here 4at by 1 plus t square is there. Here I am sending this 2a left hand side. It becomes x by 2a equals to 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. No, here also I am writing this 480 as 2a into 2t. Chalega. Now sending this to a left side. Y by 2a equals to 2t by 1 plus t square. Right? 1 plus t square. If you observe, this is 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square by 1 plus t square. Okay. By eliminating t term, we have to find out the circle equation first. T is a parameter here. T is a parameter. Right? Now observe. Put for our convenience, t is taking as tan t. What happens? X by 2a equals to 1 minus tan square theta by t is replacing by tan theta, tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. That is nothing but cos 2 theta. Right? 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta is cos 2 theta, and y by 2a equals to 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. It is nothing but sin 2 theta. Right? Now, if you observe, x by 2a is what? Cos 2 theta. Y by 2a is what? Sin 2 theta. Then x by 2a whole square plus y by 2a whole square equals to cos square 2 theta plus sin square 2 theta. It will become 1. Okay? It will become 1. Then x square by 4a square, y square by 4a square equals to 1. That remains x square plus y square equals to 4a square. You can write it as 2a whole square. No? What is the center of the circle? 0, 0. Center is 0, 0 and radius is 2a. What's your right choice? Second option is the right choice. Got it? Got it all of you? Right. Very good. Keep it up. Okay. Let's see our third question. If a straight line root 8 comma plus root 8 making an angle 135 degrees with axis, and same line curves the circle x equals to 5 cos theta, y equals to 5 sin theta in points A and B, then the distance AB is how much? Then the distance AB is how much? Inclination of the line is 135. Then slope of the line is, how do you get slope of the line? By tan theta. Tan 135, how much beta? That is minus 1. And it is passing through which point? C equals to minus root 8 comma root 8. What is the line equation? Line equation is, this is x1 comma y1. Slope is known. Y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. Chalo bolo. Y minus y1 is root 8 equals to m. M is minus 1 into x minus x1, minus of minus plus root 8. Chalo beta, y minus root 8 equals to minus x minus root 8. Minus root 8 gets cancelled. It remains x plus y equals to 0. This is the line. This is the line. Observe carefully. And the circle what? These are the parametric equations of a circle. Then form the circle equation first. X square plus y square equals to 5 square cos square theta, 5 square sin square theta. If you take in 25 common out, cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. This is the circle equation. X square plus y square equals to 25. What is the center? Center of the circle is 0, 0 and radius is 5. Now observe carefully. This is x-axis and y-axis, right? This circle with center 0, 0. Right? This is the circle with center 0, 0. And if you observe, x plus y equals to 0 is the line which passing through origin. This is the line x plus y. This is the line x plus y equals to 0. Are you sure? This line is making how much angle? 135 degrees. Are you sure? X to y axis 90 and this is 45. Right? 135. Totally this is 90. This is 90 plus 45, 135, right? And it is passes through which point? C of minus root 8 comma root 8. Is it clear? Our line passes through having inclination 135 degrees and passes through the point minus root 8 comma plus root 8. If you construct the line equation, it passes through origin. It passes through origin. So this line is cutting a circle in which points? A and B points. Beautiful question it is. Enjoy. Okay. This line is passing through center of the circle and cuts the circle in 2 points, capital A and capital B. Yeah. If a line which passes through center of the circle, it is representing diameter of the circle. So AB is what? Diameter. Yes, absolutely right. AB equals to 2R. What it is? How much? 2 into 5, 10. 2 into 5. How much? 10. AB length is 10. Confirmed. Got it. Very simple, right? What it is? Option B is right choice. Option B is right choice. Got it, all of you? Chalo. Let's discuss our fourth question. What it is? If a circle is inscribed in a square of side 10, so that the circle touches the 4 sides of the square internally, then radius of the circle is, okay, circle is inscribed in a square. Let us take this is the square, right? This is the square and our circle is inscribed in it. Our circle is inscribed in it. Observe carefully. Very simple question. Logical, right? The circle is inscribed in a square of side of length how much? Square of side of square is how much? 10. This is 10 units. This is also 10 units. This is also 10 units. This is also 10 units. Very clear, right? So this is representing diameter, no? That is also of length 10. So this total length is 10. This center is dividing this 10 into 5 equal parts. So radius of the circle is 5. It's very clear, right? Are you clear, all of you? Then one more superb question, and this is previously asked in 2017. Okay, 2017 JEE main. Okay, now observe carefully. What he has provided. Center of the circle he is asking. That circle is circumscribing the square whose three sides are 3x plus y minus 22 equals to 0, x minus 3y minus 14 equals to 0, and 3x plus y minus 62 equals to 0. Here circle is inscribed, it is inside of the square. Here circle is circumscribing the square, means this is a square and our circle is circumscribed, means it passes through all four vertices of a square. Our circle is passing through 4 vertices of a square. 4 vertices of a square. Is it clear? Very simple. Circle is circumscribed the square, and what he has provided? 3 sides of the square provided. Then he is asking center of the circle is. Chalo. Here one side is this side. Let us take 3x plus y minus 22 equals to 0. And whose parallel side is this 3x plus y? two parallel sides are differ by constant. See, this is minus 22, this is minus 62. Remaining two terms are as usual. So these are parallel sides. 3x plus y minus 62 equals to 0. And third side is, let us take this side or this side. X minus 3y minus 14 equals to 0. Sir, parallel sides provided. Two parallel sides provided. Okay. Let us say this is center of the circle. This is center of the circle. Okay. This is center of the circle. Exactly. This is one side 3x plus y minus 22 equals to 0. This is another side 3x plus y minus 62 equals to 0. Now I am going to ask you a question. What is the line equation which is exactly midway between these two parallel lines? Exactly midway between these two parallel lines. Exactly. This is the line. This is the line. This is the line which is midway between these two parallel lines. Okay. What is that formula, sir? Suppose ax plus by plus c1 equals to 0, one line. Ax plus by plus c2 equals to 0, another line. Two parallel lines are there. The equation of the line which is exactly midway between these two lines is ax plus by plus average of constants c1 plus c2 by 2 equals to 0. So this equation is 3x plus y as it is 3x plus y plus of average of constants minus 22 minus 62 by 2 equals to 0. 3x plus y minus how much beta? 60. 84 means minus 84 by 2, 42 equals to 0. This is nothing but, this line is nothing but a diameter, right? So center lies on the diameter. This is equation of diameter, no? This is equation of diameter. Which option? Given four options, no? Option A, option B, option C, option D. One of the four options satisfies this equation. Which option satisfies this equation? That option is center of our required circle. Here, without pausing the time, directly I am doing. If you check first option, you may failed. It may not satisfy this. Here the line is 3x plus y minus 42 equals to 0. Now go through option B. What happens? Option B I am substituting. X coordinate is this much, y coordinate is this much. 3 into 27 by 2 plus y value is 3 by 2 minus 42 equals to 0. Chalo, 27 3s are how much? 27 3s are 3, 20, 60, 21, 81. 81 by 2 plus 3 by 2 minus 42 equals to 0. Observe, 81 plus 3, 84 by 2 minus 42 equals to 0. 42 minus 42 equals to 0. Satisfied? What's your right choice? Choose.